Introduction. Position of jaw crusher in the process. The purpose of the crushing area is to reduce the run-of-mine ore to an optimal size for processing in the downstream grinding circuit. Basic function, identification and role of the jaw crusher. Material enters the crusher through the opening between the top of the two crushing jaws. When the swing jaw moves towards the stationary jaw, large forces are exerted on the material wedged between the jaws. The jaw liners, also called jaw dies, are mounted on the jaw backing plates and held in place by jaw face holding bolts and bolted jaw wedges. Pitman assembly. A second shaft, the pitman shaft, is located behind the swing jaw. The central section of the pitman shaft has a larger diameter than the outside sections, and its centre line is offset from the rest of the shaft to form an eccentric.